very pleased to offer this lovely Vauxhall Mokka X 1.6 diesel 110 PS Design Nav model. I've got the vehicle ticking over already, obviously. To show you first of all the LED daytime running lights. Also got front fogs, front park sensors there. And I just walk down the driver's side of the vehicle. It's a lovely Summit white, contrasting black trims around the sills and arches. See the chrome effect roof rails. Into the rear, we've got rear park sensors. Let's jump into the boot area. Good size family boot there, 60/40 split on the rear seats. And come to the near side rear. Along the near side. You can see it's gleaming in the sun, looking good. It's 60,000 miles, been serviced 5 times. Now I'm just going to take it to the cabin itself and show you some of the goodies. So we've got electric windows front and rear, electric heated folding mirrors, which again is a really nice feature to have. All the trim in excellent condition. Let's just jump in the cabin itself. And the first thing we'll see is auto lights. You just jump across to the trip computer. You'll see a very healthy 49 to the gallon. All cruise control, all your Bluetooth controls and volume controls from the steering wheel. We'll jump over to the Intellilink media system in the middle. Just so I've got my phone plugged in already, just show you bits and bobs you can unload. It's very convenient on our address. Go back to there, you see WhatsApp and so on. If I just take the lead out, go back to the car's main menu, it is sat nav as standard anyway. Or DAB radio and Bluetooth. Okay, as we work our way down, got dual zone climate control here when you set the temperature differently on different sides. Normal aircon there, and a little bit further down we'll see charging socket, USB and aux. 6-speed manual books. And we just pop over here, we'll just go to the service book. As I mentioned, 5 services in total. Although we will service the vehicle on purchase and give it a 12-month MOT and a 6-month RAC nationwide platinum warranty. Just pop out for one last look. If you'd like to know more about this car, you can yourself Tom and the sales team on 01507 602222 or visit our website www.thompsonsmith.co.uk. Thanks again.